Hey everybody, I'm back with my first unboxing video of 2019, and today I'm unboxing Payday 2 for the Nintendo Switch. I recently bought this game from BestBuy.com. It was on sale for only $20. I know this is not a fully updated version game. I know this is outdated, but I wanted something like a first-person shooter on Switch, and I know there's Doom and Wolfenstein. I do want to get those one day. But this was $20, and I've been interested in playing Payday for a while, so I decided to grab this one. So, here's the front of the package. Here's the spine. And here is the back. Plays the new exclusive, well, it used to be exclusive, but now she's on PC character Joy. I don't think she's on PS4 or Xbox One yet, so let's open it up. Take out the plastic. Got a makeshift stand made a little stand for my phone, so I can do this a lot easier now. Okay. Got the plastic off, and let's open it up. Nothing excited, nothing in there, and there's the game cartridge. Okay, that's it. I all hope you like the video. If any of you have this game and wants to play online, leave your friend code in the comments saying, hey, I want to play Payday 2 with you, and we'll set up some with Discord we can communicate. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe.